I may look a mess, but we just gonna do what we can, you feel me? Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I decided to do a little different setup. You know, I'm always in the corner, I'm always in the cut. Today I decided to be in a different corner of the cut, you feel me? You feel what I'm saying? Today I'm going to be doing some press-on nails. I don't like to do acrylics, but I might start getting into acrylics, I don't know. I'm gonna put some press-on nails. I work out, I do a lot, I'm hands-on. I'm a very hands-on person, so you know, I can't be sitting there trying to get my nails done consistently. But like when I get them done, I like to be able to take them off. I don't want to be spending all that money just to be taking them off, and plus I need my nails to grow and I need to take care of my nails. I kind of want my nails to grow out, so in order to do that I can't be doing acrylics and all kinds of stuff. But press-on nails I can do. I already made a video on these nails. These are the nails I'm going to be rocking. I already did a video on these nails. These nails are the Kiss Masterpiece One of a Kind Luxe Money. Like I said, I already did a video on these, so there's nothing new about this. These are the best press-on nails. I promise you, these are the best press-on nails. I love this kind exactly. They look like a little bling bling ching ching on that ring ring. Yeah, I'm just gonna be using the stuff that comes in the box. I'm not gonna be bringing out my own supplies, but I'm gonna use what they got, and because I don't need them on for that long, I'm gonna have these on for like 3 or 4 days, and then I'm gonna take them off. But yeah, I might take them off earlier, I don't know. Press-on nails, they're just so... they're the best because you can do whatever you want, whenever you want. They're always in your home. You don't gotta be spending top dollar, and you get top dollar quality, you feel me? And you know, if you want your nails extra done for a long period of time, go get you some more acrylics. But if you go to the gym, you do a lot of stuff, these are gonna be your best friend, I promise. But yeah, you guys are just gonna be maybe watching me, chilling with me. I'm gonna be applying these. I might go into detail a little bit about how I apply these, but you know, we just gonna get started. If you guys like videos like these, make sure to like, comment, subscribe now. Don't forget to subscribe. If you guys are wondering, my shirt is from Walmart. Go ahead. I know y'all be acting bougie, but let me tell you something real quick. Walmart got some good graphic tees. They got some good stuff. You guys need to go check it out. I got some Fashion Nova, some brands, all kinds of stuff in the closet. But hey, when it's time to pop out, you know, put you on a Walmart tee. Nobody gotta know, but y'all know. You feel me? Like, if I didn't tell y'all this, y'all would have thought I got this from somewhere. You know, this got to be like $50–$60, but no. This shirt, I'm pretty sure, was like $5. So go ahead now. And it looks nice. Come on now. Don't tell me it don't look nice. Don't tell me it don't look nice. Alright, so we're gonna bust open this package real quick. Dang, it's kind of hot in here. Do I want to get the fan? No, I'm just gonna sweat. Hopefully I don't make a mess in my bed, because that would definitely suck. You know what kind of video I should do? I should do a video on me taking out my contacts with these nails, because boy, let me tell you, I have not done that yet. So the first thing I like to do, first of all, I'm just gonna let you know again the kind that I got. It's the Masterpiece One of a Kind Luxe Money, and it's by Kiss, and I got them in the extra long length. It's gonna be in the corner if y'all wanted to know. These were like $11, so you know I had to cop me some real quick. I don't read instructions, I'm gonna just tell you how I do them. I don't want to do too much. I don't feel like they got to be perfect, because these already look good, you feel me? Just to let you guys know, I did get my little merch. So I will be showing you guys that probably in my next video. If y'all want some merch, some of my merch, go down in the description box down below. Go ahead and copy some. Ain't none of nobody's business but you and mine, so go ahead and do that. So the first thing I like to do is try them on. But honestly, what I'm going to do first is pull back my cuticles, because they have the stuff in the package. Now, y'all already know how I feel about this. I like to toss the glue and toss it in the trash, because we don't need that.
But I'm gonna use this today, so.
This is just the process that I do. Y'all over here spending top dollar for the same look I have, or I'm about to have. We're gonna do that real quick. I'm gonna fast forward through this, so y'all don't have to be sitting here all day like I'm about to be, but here we go. Okay, now that's kind of done, I got little boy fingers, little cheetah boy fingers, little ugly boy fingers. I'm just gonna file on the top, because I don't want them to just slip off easily. Yeah, I just filed the top so it looks rough and disgusting. So when I put the glue on, the nail's gonna stick. Next step, now we're gonna try on some of these nails. Now that our nails look butt ugly. So I don't know what kind of pattern I'm trying to go for this time, but I like the matte. I think the matte on the, like, the matte nail on the thumb, and then other nails to be like the bomb. So I'm gonna start picking out my sizes real quick. You guys can watch. I'm gonna fast forward so y'all not sitting here all day. But I hope you getting your nails done too. Do it with me. Here we go now. So now that we picked out our nails, these are my nails. I'm gonna slide. Actually, I'm gonna keep them over here. Just know my nails over here. I'll crop you in so you can see that my nails are over here. But now this is where I go in with the glue, this little ugly glue thing, but it does do the job. We're gonna use it. So what I like to do, I start from my pinkies all the way to my thumbs because you need your thumbs to put on your pinkies, if that makes sense. And now we're gonna slowly but surely start applying our nails. Like I said, I'm gonna do it real quick for you guys. I'm gonna speed it up so y'all ain't here all day, but I'm gonna be here all day, so. But really, these nails literally take about like 15 minutes of my day. Like when I actually take my time, today's taking me 10 minutes, so. I don't know what the time is gonna be for y'all, but I'm gonna chop them down real quick and simple. So, I'm gonna put on these nails real quick. I do this little roll thing to make sure all the glue is evenly distributed throughout the nail. And I like to only put like a little dot in the middle because you don't want glue pouring out all on the sides. Then it looks tacky and disgusting, so. It's pretty funny because I actually stacked up on these specific kind of nails. Like I literally like these ones, because they give me like an icy look. There's another kind I'm actually gonna show you real quick. I have these I'll be doing a video on soon, but these are a cute look. And last but not least, the thumbs. I'm just saying, y'all could look bad on a budget. Like, there's nothing wrong with looking bad on a budget. People be really out here spending money. Like, come on now. It's funny because I did my nails one time, and like, the way I did my nails, it literally looked like the salon did them. Like trash. So, I'm just saying, y'all don't gotta spend that much money. If you want to do it basic, just do it yourself. Now, if you want to have some bling bling on that ting ting and it costs $180 and they do it perfectly, spend that, go ahead. But if that's not your price range, understand that's not your price range. Do what you gotta do. And if you exercising and you want to look cute, have some press-on nails in your backup drawer. When you have a date night, go ahead and put on nails on. Like, who is judging? We get older, all of a sudden we can't do the things we used to do. Like what? Not me. Get a little closer, but come on now. Tell me that don't look good. Tell me this doesn't look good. Like, tell me that don't look good. Tell me that don't look good. Tell me these don't look good. Like, you're lying. You're lying. I can't wait to get my contacts out with these, but you see the vibes I'm trying to go for? Come on now. I know y'all in for it, but I love these, and they are extra long to me. Look at these nails. These nails. I'm telling you, the best press-on nails, they all falling out the pack, but you need some $11 and they are bomb. These are gonna be it. Like, I should pose with them real quick, huh? Do a little 1-2. If you guys like videos like this, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I will definitely be doing more nail reviews, but you guys need to cop some down below. Look in the description box. This is not This is not sponsored whatsoever. This is the real, this is the truth. Like I said, I have a different color in these. They have these. I'm pretty sure they have some other colors, but I'm going to try these on next time. But yeah, I'm telling you, I stack up. There gotta be another box somewhere. And have them in different kinds. Like, come on. But yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.